Hello everyone, if you're trying to use the SKlauncher and it's stuck on this window, welcome to SKlauncher, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on SKlauncher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have SKlauncher closed. So just open up your task manager, search for SKlauncher on here, or just look for SKlauncher, and then if it is turned on, just close it from here. And once you're done closing the SKlauncher, now you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download this software. And once you're done downloading this software, now you're going to go ahead and install it. And after it's installed, now you're going to open it up. And then you're going to click onto this settings icon. And then you're going to click 1.1.1.1 with Warp. And then you're going to click connect. Wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and open up the SKlauncher, and you'll see that your SKlauncher will work correctly and you'll not get this welcome to SKlauncher problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.